Welcome to another Brainy Buyer comparison. Every chart, test, and tip you're about to hear is funded by viewers like you. Subscribe and join the squad that keeps honest product intel free for everyone. So I'm looking at these two Weber grills, the Q1000 and the Spirit E-310. Big price difference, huh?
Yeah, the Q1000 is around $229, and the Spirit E-310 is listed at $619. That's a pretty significant jump. What are you planning to use a grill for?
Mostly for small family dinners, maybe some tailgating. Nothing too crazy.
Okay, that makes a difference. The Q1000 is definitely more portable. It's only about 27.5 pounds, runs on those small propane cylinders too. The E310, on the other hand, is a hefty 116.8 pounds.
Wow, that's a big difference. So the Q1000 is better for portability. What about cooking power?
The Q1000 has a single burner, putting out 8,500 BTU and a cooking area of 189 square inches. The Spirit E310 boasts 3 burners with a total cooking area of 529 square inches. It's a lot more cooking space.
Okay, so the E310 can handle bigger cookouts. What about materials?
Both have porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates, which is great for heat retention. The Q1000 has a cast aluminum lid and body, keeping it lightweight. The E310 also has a porcelain enameled lid, but doesn't specify the body material. I would bet it's heavier duty steel.
Right, that makes sense given the weight. What about convenience features?
The Q1000 is fully assembled out of the box, which is a plus. It has push-button ignition. The E310 requires assembly, but it has tool hooks and an easy-to-clean grease management system.
That grease management system sounds nice. Cleaning is always a pain.
Yeah, it is. And the E310, being larger, also offers more precise temperature control and a broader range of cooking options. The Q1000 is more basic, great for burgers and dogs.
So if I'm mainly doing small meals, the Q1000 seems like a good fit. But if I ever wanted to grill for a larger group, the E310 would be the better choice.
Exactly. It really boils down to your needs and budget, and the reviews are generally great for both, so you can't go wrong.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.